ॐ विद्राणे रुद्रवृन्दे सवितरतरले भजने ध्वज वज्रे जाता शङ्का शशाङ्के विरमति मरुदित्यक्तो वैरे कुबेरे वैकुण्ठे कुण्ठिताश्रये महिषमतिर् सम्पौरुषोपग्रनिघ्नं निर्विघ्नं निघ्नति वः समयत दुरितं भूरि भव भवानी समयतु दुरितं भूरि भव भवानी. Actually, this is the prayer of goddess, Durga, Gauri, Shivani, Shakti, Kali, whatever word you use. So allegorically, this is personified, and that personified form of goddess is eulogized here, prayed here. So therefore I pray before delivering the talk. So okay, all the formulations and almost all the foundations behind this Navratri fast festival we have gone through, but here I want to discuss you how to perform it. 3 days you will really feel some weakness. So you have to use 3 days what? Clove. CLOVE, clove. Lavanga it is called in Sanskrit. So this lavanga, this clove will give you energy that will not let your appetite aggravated. You will not feel hunger and you will not feel weakness also. Within 3 days your mechanism within the body will search that something is coming from your mouth, something is coming from your mouth. And when the mechanism will find nothing coming from your mouth, then mechanism will search within the body and find, a lot of cholesterol is hoarded here. Why I am searching that not coming from the mouth? And then that cholesterol or the toxic material or venomous materials within the body gets digested as a fuel, and body gets fuel from that composed and stored unwanted material within the body. And then 3rd day you will feel not the weakness, because your mechanism has surged a lot of fuel within the body and that needs nothing from outside. And really in 4th day you will not like to eat anything if you see also anyone eating very nice dishes, because the requirement is fulfilled by your mechanism within your body. And now the rejuvenation starts, autophagy starts, purification of your filth within the body starts, deletion of all the toxic materials within the body starts, and your vital force that has become black, that's transformation starts, and that starts to be Gauri, whitened from Kali or blackened, from black to white. Asatoma sadgamaya tamasoma jyotirgamaya mrityorma mritam gamaya. This Vedic mantra also, asatoma sadgamaya. Ma means me. O God, O Supreme, bring me from dark to light, from darkness to light, from night to day, from untruth to truth. So it is done here. We start from Kali and joins to white. We start from dark, we go to white, from dark to light, from night to light. This is the purpose of fasto therapy here as a Navratri fast festival. So fourth day you will enjoy very nicely. Likewise, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. As a celebration, I see in India, in ninth day the people eat too much because of fasting. They start. No, it's not good way. Already you have your mechanism is not accustomed to eat too much. So in the last day, actually in 10th day, you have to take some soup, some liquid form, rice and some pulse, boil in water like a soup, drinkable in the drinkable form, and you have to use that with the input of ginger sauce, a ginger grind with a chili, and input a lemon. First time you have to lick that. That will aggravate your all the enzymes, and that will boost and aggravate your appetite, and really your all the enzymes and all the supporting mechanism of digestion will be ready to enjoy the nice foods. And wonderful thing is here that 10th day, and after 10th day, that is 11th day is also known as Ekadashi. Ekadashi is also fasting day. So sages have given us, two Navratris in a year, and two Ekadasis in each and every month. In every month there are two Ekadasis. So, according to scientific researches, it is stated that if anyone keep fast 20 days in a year, that's almost free from cancer and all the mega problems. This is the scientific research and statements of the scientist who won the Nobel Prize to state this. So that is suggesting 20 days, but here already 9 and 9 days, 18 days, and two Ekadasis in a month. So 24 Ekadasis in a year. So it is maximum scope, 18 days Navratri fast festival and 24 days for Ekadasi in a year. Not in same time or in 1 month you keep fast and then no. Regularly in each and every month, and within 6 months, 9 days. So it is a complete therapeutic formulation. It is very scientific and therapeutic foundation of sages for us to make all the time healthy, happy and well. This is the purpose of fastotherapy. And a cow wick is also lit there. A Russian scientist, Sir Sirovich, discovered that 10 gram of cow ghee, natural cow of any, natural cow means any indigenous cow of any area of the earth, that ghee is very, very full of the properties of, medication. 10 gram of cow ghee, when that's burnt, that emit 1 ton of oxygen. So you can understand. As a ritual in Navratri fasting, a cow ghee, cow butter oil is burnt with a wick. continuous burning of that, your room is purified all the time. So when you inhale something, that's very nice. All the molecules of ghee or butter oil goes through your nose and cover your each and every cell and lubricate your each and every cell as a healing agents. Clear? So, I request you to keep fast Navaratri and 2 Ekadasis, and this is the blessing. If you follow this fast festival prescription of the sages, you will never have any mega problem whole of your life, not only of your life, in the life of each and every member of your family. And your unnecessary money that you spend for treatment diseases, if you twice in a year follow this Navaratri fast festival, or this the prescription or the formulation of the sages, that is only to heal us, purify us, rejuvenate us, detoxinate us, and vitalize our vital force, spiritize our vital force, and a 100% standard immune system is activated because of this fastotherapy. I hope you will follow this and you will enjoy the fast and you will enjoy your life. Thank you for today. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.